I purchased these 7-piece wooden Christmas gingerbread houses to stand up on my mantle for some cozy Christmas decor, and they completely exceeded my expectations. As soon as I set them up, they instantly transformed my mantle into a cute little Christmas village. The set includes 7 wooden houses, all in slightly different shapes and sizes, which adds so much character and keeps the display from looking flat or repetitive. I opened these up from the box and they didn't have any smell, which I appreciate. What really drew me to this set is the hand-drawn styling detail. The white line artwork has a simple, almost primitive look that feels very intentional and thoughtfully designed. It works beautifully with so many decorating styles from classic Christmas to farmhouse, countryside, and maybe even a retro holiday vibe. The gingerbread-inspired brown and white decor palette is warm and festive without being overpowering on my mantle, which I personally love. The size of the houses varied just enough to make styling really easy. I was able to arrange them across my mantle without any effort, and they also look great on a windowsill, shelf, or even a coffee bar. They're made of wood, so they feel sturdy and well-crafted, especially considering the price point. These don't feel flimsy or overly lightweight like some holiday decor can. Once I added a string of soft lights and a few bottle brushes, the whole setup came together really nicely. It created a cozy, welcoming holiday atmosphere in my living space. Overall, these are very cute, affordable, great quality for the price, and an easy way to create a charming Christmas village without needing a lot of pieces. They would also make a lovely gift for anybody who enjoys seasonal decor or cozy holiday styling. I highly recommend these wood gingerbread houses.